So this is my mobile screen. As you can see, I come out of it. Now, how do I configure the mails for NMTS? Everybody must be aware of your Gmail IDs. Gmail you must be seeing. So I'm clicking on Gmail right now. When you click on the Gmail, right on top, you have the your photograph, your whatever you call it, DP or whatever you call it. Click on that. You will find a few options here. I have my three email IDs here, one for my regular work, one for my other two office work. And this is your add another account. Go to add another account. What type of mail? Is it a Google Mail? Is it an Outlook? Is it an Yahoo or is it an Exchange? None of the above. So I have to press on others. So I press on others. I type in the info mail that I have. I know info at nmtamilsangam dot org. Hopefully it is correct. Yeah. And now I say POP3. Remember, you should select POP3. Why will come to later. I'm not discussing it right now. Select POP3. I'm putting the password. All right. Incoming server settings. You accept it. Outgoing info nmtamilsangam.org. Okay. Outgoing server. Accept for the default settings. And that's it. You're all set to view the emails on your mobile. Now, again, clicking on that, it will show me my three regular mails and the new one that I have created here, info at NM Tamil Sangam. That's it. The screen is identical. Everything is similar because it's based on Gmail. So you find that compose at the bottom. So you can compose and send a test message. I'm sending it to myself. Test. That's it. Please confirm. Send. That's it. Over. I've sent a message now. I go to my Gmail account and it should be there. Info. See that. Info. Scum. That's the only thing you need to do. I come out of it anytime I want. I click on Gmail, select that particular mail account, info at NM Tamil Sangam, and I'm there in that. Compose, click, delete, forward, everything. Do it on your mobile. Use your web browser only when it is absolutely necessary. I hope with this demo, you will be convinced that it's not so difficult to use the email IDs of Tamil Sangam and you'll start using them immediately. Thank you. Any questions, you can call me up anytime you want or send me a mail. I'll be too willing to help you out. You want me to help you set up this? I can do that also.